Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chong Bian's kitchen. Pour the eggs into the boiling water, and it instantly becomes a classic dish that is worth passing down. This recipe is very unique. First, we prepare 4 to 5 authentic hen eggs. My eggs are relatively small, so I prepared 7. For normal-sized eggs, 5 is enough. Then add 2 spoons of salt to the eggs and pour in warm water. Let them soak for 2 to 3 minutes. The eggs soaked in salt will be washed very clean, removing any impurities from the surface. Then, brush them clean with a brush. After washing the eggs, remove them from the water. Prepare a large bowl and place all the eggs in it. Add a spoonful of white salt to enhance the base flavor, then pour in some white vinegar to remove any fishy smell and enhance the fragrance. This also makes the eggs more fluffy and tender. Stir well with chopsticks until it forms a thin string, then set aside. Next, we prepare half a peeled carrot. First, cut it into thick slices, then into thin strips. The thinner, the better. Finally, dice it into small pieces and set it aside. Prepare a green pepper, cut it into thin strips, then into small pieces, and set it aside. Prepare a handful of green onions. Cut the white part of the green onion separately from the green leaves. Dice the white part and place it in a small bowl, then chop the green leaves and place them in another small bowl. Then, we prepare 5 cents worth of lean meat. First, slice it thinly, then chop it into minced meat and set it aside. Prepare a few garlic cloves, first slicing them thinly, then chopping into minced garlic. Set it aside as well. Pour 500 milliliters of water into a pot and turn on high heat to boil the water. Once it's boiling, pour the egg mixture into the pot. Reduce to medium heat to prevent the eggs from cooking too quickly. Gently push the eggs from the side of the pot with a spatula, making sure to scrape the bottom to prevent sticking. Keep pushing the eggs until they are fully set. At this point, they should be fluffy and tender. Once done, place the eggs on a plate. Pour a little cooking oil into a pan. When the oil is hot, add the minced meat and stir-fry until it changes color. Then, add the green onion and garlic, stirring to release the aroma. Add the diced carrots and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add the green peppers. Now we start seasoning. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, 188 grams of salt, and stir well. Pour in an appropriate amount of water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add a little dark soy sauce for color, 28 grams of chicken essence, and 58 grams of sugar. Use the spatula to ensure the seasoning is well mixed. Finally, add starch water and turn up the heat to thicken the sauce slightly. Pour the sauce over the eggs. At this point, the aroma is incredible. Garnish with chopped green onion, and a simple, delicious boiled egg dish is ready. It looks so tempting. With this method, the eggs are not overcooked, and they remain tender, making it perfect for the elderly and children. If you like it, please try it at home. Click like and subscribe for more home-cooked food videos. Thank you for watching today, and see you next time.